Hi guys, I was gifted this big floodlight for my shop so I can install it and show you how we install it and show you how bright it is at night. So it's going to light up this whole area really good. So let's take it out of the box here. Wow, that is a big light, guys. So this is a monstrous light. Um, and it has a very heavy duty bracket right here. It does come with a pigtail here. Looks like it's about 3 feet pigtail. And I'm going to go ahead and install it up on my shop. And I'll show you how you do that. There's just some holes right here, and you just screw in some bolts to wherever you're going to mount it. And then you wire it up hardwire. So watch me do that. Guess I can move the camera. All right, guys, you got it all installed. I ended up putting a plug on the end of that pigtail that it comes with, and I put a smart plug on it, so then I can just, remotely turn it off with that smart plug or turn it on. So I'm gonna come back, and when it gets dark, I'll show you how bright it is. This thing is super bright during the daytime. Can't imagine how much it's gonna light up this area at night. All right, guys, this new light is so bright, it lights up this whole area like a football field now. It's definitely, as you can see all around, it lights up this whole area like it's daytime. It's crazy how much light this thing puts off. All right, guys, so if you're in the market for a huge spotlight like this, I had to cover it with my head so the video wasn't terrible. But as you can see, it's super, super bright. So if you guys need a spotlight like this for your area, go ahead and get this one. It's amazing how much light this thing puts off. It just lights up this whole area like daytime. So if I'm out here working on a car or something, it's gonna be great at nighttime. So I'm glad I got it. And if you guys need a spotlight like this one, I would go ahead and get it. Thanks.